Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is GD Genius. And today I want to show you how you can actually share your live location during an emergency to your friends, to your families, or even to the police. And how can you do that? I'm going to show you step by step, and I encourage you to watch the video to the end. So the first thing you want to do is actually to locate your WhatsApp contacts. Now this can be your friend, this can be your family, this can be your neighbor or someone close to you, and you want to share your location with a person. So you want to click on that contact first. And so this is the contact I'll be using. Now, for you to do this, you have to select this. So let me just click on it right here. Move this. You're gonna click on this point here that I circled. Okay. So when you click on that, so I'm gonna click on it right here. And after this, you're gonna click on location. So click on location. Let me just highlight location very quickly. This is location. So when I click on location, let me just cancel this. Now I'm being required. Do you want to send blah 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 blah? Of course you want to allow. So I'm just going to click on continue. Now while using the app, under this time always. So I'm going to click while using the app. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to come up. Now this is where the point is. The first thing you want to do right here is send your location. So I'm going to click on this point here and I'm going to share my location here. This is the first step. Okay, so you click on this, send your current location. So I'm just going to click my current location right here. And when I do that, this is the first one that goes. So now, what is the next thing I want to do? The next thing I want to do is to go back to location. This is one. I'm going to click on location and I'm going to share live location. Please, this is the most critical part of it. So I'm going to click share live location. So now when I click on share live location, okay, members in this chat will see your real time, your location real time, and so on. Yes, I want to continue. Now, at this point, you can decide to share. Okay, share my live location in 15 minutes, in an hour, in 8 hours. So this is for security purpose. Perhaps where you're going, you do not want to exceed 1 hour, and you say, okay, share my live location in 1 hour, or share my live location in 8 hours. So I'm going to click on 8 hours. Now, peradventure, you tell your friend or the police or your neighbor or your parents that you are going to a specific location and there is a change in the location. Maybe unfortunately something happened, or maybe something just happened. Your location had to be distorted, or the person was kidnapped. There is going to be a change or notification to the person you're sharing with. And so you can actually see that for these 8 hours, your current location, even if it was actually different from what you sent earlier, is going to change. So I'm just going to write to this guy and say, kindly check or call me immediately, or kindly check or call me immediately. Okay, or you can say call the police, something like this, if you were not sure, or you can just say report to the police and so on. So in 8 hours, so where I'm going, I'm not going to exceed 8 hours, and I'm giving a directive that should be executed. Either you check or call me immediately, or you call the police. So this is a way for you to. So let's take, for example, you go offline or your internet connection goes off. The beautiful thing about this is that it is still going to pick the location. It's gonna download it and it's gonna pick it and works with it. Okay, so you can just send right away here. And so you can see, kindly check or call me immediately or call the police. So even if your internet goes off, though there might be a flaw at that point because it works with current internet activity, and so the person might not be able to see your live location immediately, but because this is actually reported to the police, it can be traced. So if I move from where I am currently to another location, it is going to show. And so this is a simple way that you can actually share your live location during an emergency, and you don't have to bother about anything. So I just wanted to go to your WhatsApp and try this out. And if you have any questions, of course, you want to just drop on the comment section. Till I come your way next time, this is GD Genius. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, share this video to your friends and to your families, and you can get new notifications anytime I'm dropping a video. Till I come your way next time, GD Genius. Bye.